Hi, this is our parts doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the water guide on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new water guide for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The water guide works with the sump cover to divert flow of the water into the main duct and the lower spray arm. If the water guide is cracked or damaged, water may not circulate properly and can lead to poor cleaning performance. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then fully extend the lower dish rack and lift it up and out. Rotate the coarse filter counterclockwise while lifting to remove the filter. Slide the fine filter towards the front of the dishwasher and lift it up and out. Using a Phillips headed screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the sump cover to the bottom of the dishwasher's tub. Gently lift up on the sump cover till it is cleared from the water guide, then pull it forward to remove it from the main duct. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the water guide to the sump assembly, then remove the guide. If you need to purchase a new water guide, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the water guide to the sump assembly and set into place. Then, reinstall the 4 screws. Next, align the sump cover to the main duct and press to secure the connection. Then, lift the sump cover up slightly and push it back until it seats into the water guide and reinstall the 2 screws. Align the fine filter to the tub of the dishwasher and slide it into place. Next, align the coarse filter to the hole in the fine filter and set it into place. Then, rotate the filter clockwise until it locks. Then, align the wheels on the lower dish rack to the grooves on the door and set it into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.